Hello guys, I am teacher Karanveer Singh. I will teach you about the fifth chapter complex number. Complex number is the greatest number which is made up of two parts, real part and the imaginary part. We can represent it as an x plus iota y. Here x is a real number and y is also a real number, but there is an iota which we represent as a I. This is an imaginary number. If in the discriminant in your 10th class we studied that if the root come in the minus, then we will say that it has no roots. This equation has no roots. But now we will solve it with the help of this number iota. We can find out the value iota square is equals to iota into iota. Here you can use iota at the place of this. The value of iota is under root minus 1. Then we will solve it as follow. Here you will consider that under root will cut with under root, but here minus will not cut with minus because they are in the under root. If they are like this, minus 1 into minus 1, then the minus will cut with each other and the answer is 1. But here you will not cut minuses with each other, so the answer is minus 1. So we can consider that the iota square is equals to minus 1. Then what is the value of iota cube? Iota cube can be represented as iota into iota square. We come to know that the iota square is equals to minus 1. We cannot put the value here iota under root minus 1. We can simply put the iota here and multiply minus 1 with iota, then it will be minus iota. So we can consider it as a minus iota, the value of iota, the power 3. Now what is the power of iota 4? It is an important part, so you can learn it. Learn these equations. Iota 4 is equals to iota square into iota square. Iota square. What is the value of iota square? Minus 1 into minus 1. Here you will cut minuses with each other. Then its answer is 1. Therefore, iota value 4 is equals to 1. Now, I will give you some questions, then solve it in your notebooks. Iota plus iota square plus iota cube plus iota 4. Then what will be its answer? Solve it. You can pause your video for your convenience. Now iota plus, we can write iota square as minus 1 plus iota cube as minus iota, then iota 4 as 1. Here iota minus 1 minus iota plus 1. Minus 1 will cancel with plus 1, minus iota will cancel with plus iota. So the answer is 0. Then what we will do if we have to find out the value of iota 7. We will firstly split it into two parts. We will use iota 4. We will use iota 4 because the value of iota 4 is 1 and it will suitable for it and we can easily solve it. 4 into, you know that the m1 into m2 will power, if the powers have the same base, the value has same base but the powers are different, then the powers will be add. Here we will apply this rule. Here we will multiply iota 4 into iota the power 3. If we add them, it will be iota 7. Now what is the value of iota 4? 1 into, what is the value of iota 3? Minus iota. Then its answer is minus iota. Therefore iota 7 is equals to minus iota. Now see this full video again for the better convenience. Now we will meet tomorrow for your next part. Thank you and have a nice day.